79 pesos lang itong bagong super cheesy and saucy tuna lasagna ng Greenwich. May kasama na nga rin pala siyang one piece na garlic stick. Thick siya at overloaded nga pala siya with cheese. I could taste the tuna. I would recommend this for those na mahilig sa seafood. Limited lang daw to till April 15. Sinubukan ko rin yung other G-Savers nila na less than 100 pesos lang lahat. Masarap at affordable ang kanilang pizza wraps. At itong pizza rice bakes na roast beef. Meron din siyang cheese on top. Para sa akin, panalo rin to. For its price na 79 pesos, okay naman na ang serving. For the pizza wraps, what I really love was the creamy spinach pizza wrap. It lives up to its name. Creamy talaga siya. Generous rin yung spinach filling. Ngayon, may enjoy mo ang pizza kahit vegetarian ka. 99 pesos nga pala itong creamy spinach pizza wrap. Itong ham and cheese flavor, 59 pesos lang. Also very cheesy when you bite into it. Lastly, I had this pizza combo meal C. One-piece pizza with spaghetti na siya. Sweet but meaty ang kanyang spaghetti. For the pizza, ham and cheese flavor. Sulit talaga tong G-Savers ng Greenwich. Ang daming pagpipilian, especially kung nagtitipid ka.